In this aid, we will voice our very own and market's perspective on Nexo future while talking about Nexo cost figure for 2023 and then some, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Kindly essentially remember that you ought to generally believe this and any fundamentally other expectation tentatively, since anticipating anything in every practical sense is a difficult errand, for the most part, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Nexo. Presently, we should head into it, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Before we dig pretty profound into the Nexo value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Nexo explicitly is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will Nexo especially succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly, for the most part, toss a look at what fundamentally is Nexo and its to-date history in a kind of significant manner. What basically is Nexo in a quite large manner? Nexo is a one-of-a-kind loaning stage that permits you to especially procure revenue on by and large your digital currency speculations, which is very critical. Loan fees really fluctuate by circulation technique and coin. However, you can in a real sense hope to fundamentally procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which is very critical. Nexo basically is situated in Switzerland, which essentially makes it essentially less powerless against expanding US in a really significant manner. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to especially take out credits in light of how much digital currency in every way that really matters. Your record without selling kind of your coins and repurchasing them, which sort of is genuinely huge. Financing costs for advances, all things considered, start at 5.90% APR, which especially is very huge. However, you can't as of now in every practical sense purchase or truly sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto bank account supplier truly offers a high return technique for financial backers to buy and large bring in cash on kind of inactive coins and fiat, which for the most part is genuinely huge. What does the Nexo kind of token do, which truly is genuinely huge? Nexo sort of was made during the ICO and disseminated to the group and early adopters in an unpretentious manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders, which sort of is very critical. The Nexo Truly token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the Truly token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit, showing how what generally is Nexo in a huge manner. Nexo claims it especially has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018. So however, you can't right now for the most part purchase or explicitly sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto investment account supplier really offers a high return technique for financial backers to bring in cash on sort of inactive coins and fiat in a by and large enormous manner. In every practical sense, token likewise certainly has an especially couple of advantages for cryptographic money premium record clients amazingly. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can 1. Acquire an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and really other digital currencies to 8%. 2. Or so they essentially thought. Get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines, or so they generally thought. Other digital currency premium record stages in a real sense have comparable tokens. Celsius essentially has Cell, Crypto.com generally has Crow in a by and large enormous manner. They truly appear to generally be a for the most part means to more and boost truly early adopters to utilize the stage and for the most part hold the token, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days, which is very huge. The extremely entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of a by and large complete breakdown in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs, which by and large shows that for the most part kindly truly remember that you ought to truly think about this and any for the most part other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything in every practical sense is an unpleasant errand, quite alone anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Nexo, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the point when sort of add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be most certainly more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers most certainly are selling dangerous resources and moving into considerably more kind of stable business sectors, which explicitly is very huge. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous basically play and thus the auction in a sort of significant manner. Our algo still sees some bright green in 2023, particularly in the in every practical sense, second piece of the year. This generally is reflected in our 2023 forecasts, showing how does the Nexo fundamentally token respond, or so they basically thought. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to generally find a base before we can move in the precise inverse bearing and for the most part alter the course, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will generally begin to do likewise. We certainly have seen this situation many basically times in the far-off and genuinely later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the genuinely next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which essentially is very critical. We fundamentally expect whales and for the most part other basically greater players in the market to in a real sense wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. In opposition to prevalent thinking, Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture, which generally is very critical. Essentials that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative sort of potential, and a few really other in every practical sense. Restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, so sort of get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines in a for the most part significant manner. 2023-0420 plus 6.06% $0 7512 2023 0421 plus 0.63% $0 7128 2023 0422 plus 5.99% $0 7508 2023 0423 plus 6.08% $0 7514 2023 0424 4.29% $0 6779 2023 04 252.07% $0 6937 2023 04 26 plus 3.17% $0 7308 2023 04 270.09% $0 7077 2023 04 284.02% $0 6799 2023 04 290.93% $0 7018 2023 04 301.95% 69 cents Nexo value expectation 2023 Our forecast model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2023 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, or so they sort of thought. 2023 May 15.79% $0 5965 2023 June in a truly significant manner 30.06% $0 4954 2023 Jul, which especially is genuinely huge 33.29% $0 4726 2023 AUG, exhibiting that financing costs for credits fundamentally start at 5.90% APR.